We are starting the room tour, not from the door coming in. This is balcony cabin 9334 on the Carnival Magic. And we'll do the balcony last.
And there was light.
I have no idea why the lights are coming on randomly. But here, this is starting from the balcony. You have the king-size bed. Okay.
With a little nightstand.
Yep. Little nightstand on each
Light switch
side.
in the middle.
There's a light switch in the middle, which we found out a couple of minutes ago that if you hit that, it may take you 10 minutes to get the lights back on again. So hit that at your own risk. So then you have another light stand on this side of the bed. That one's slightly damaged for some reason. Don't look at that. Nice little artwork. Here is a nice couch they were kind enough to leave us a power strip in here. Decent sized couch if you had a person staying with you in here. Now, if you go over here, there's your TV. Down here, you have a couple of
There's your safe.
shelves, but the safe is on one of the shelves. Okay. Over here is your refrigerator. Yep, you got your refrigerator here. Is it cold?
It's a little cold.
It's a little cold. All right. So here is your laundry bag and your drawer here. You got 4 drawers here. Now, do they have in here? Is there a hair dryer? Yep, and it's hardwired, so you can't take that out. You got to sit here and do your hair. That's where I will be blow drying my hair.
They do have
A little stool there. The outlet situation here is 2 outlets. We brought our little adapter with USBs. So that's what you got. We brought some water and some drinks in with us. Now in the closet situation,
You got 3 doors.
you got 3 doors. Now this is something you can expand these, and these are supposed to, you can push those up and lock those in place. So if you need to modify these, you can do that, which is kind of neat. If you got some hanging clothes, there is a mattress down there, I guess, for the couch, in case you got somebody sleeping on the couch. And here, hangers for your long. That's for my dress for formal night.
And life jackets.
Some life jackets in the bottom, which I will model for you later.
More hangers.
More hangers. And now we will do
The famous bathroom.
the bathroom situation. Step up in here, and the bathroom light. Where is you? I thought it was out here. Is it on that side? No, we have once again successfully turned off the light. We'll figure it out eventually, or we will use the bathroom entirely in the dark the whole time that we're here. There it is. Okay. So there's your toilet situation. Shower with a little overhang at the bottom, and your normal sink. Just a standard bathroom. So while we're doing that, we will walk back over here to the balcony. The balcony has a little, I know I'm jumping around, so bear with me. Maybe I'll slow it down for you. There's the light switch for outside. You have a little latch up front here. And then here is your balcony with 2 chairs. There's your view. That, my friends, is your balcony room tour. This is 9334, 1 deck below Lido on the Carnival Magic. Enjoy.